With the West Indies ODI team now actively engaged in the battle for ICC World Cup cricket supremacy, the Maverick wants to try a new motivational strategy for the team this evening. We want to reach out to Jason Holder and his men to remind them of the legacy of the West Indies in World Cup cricket. The first World Cup cricket tournament was held in 1975. The West Indies, under the captaincy of Clive Lloyd, dominated and won that tournament, beating Australia comfortably in the final. That time, it was 60 overs per innings, and they never have colored clothing or white balls. So all the teams played with red balls and in white clothes. The second edition was held in 1979. The West Indies, again with Clive Lloyd at the helm, conquered the world, beating the home team England in the final. The Windies were again the dominant team in 1983 up to the final. Going for the three-peat, they skittled out India for 183. And in one of the biggest upsets in the history of cricket, I don't know if it was complacency or what, but the West Indies bottled the run chase to be all out for 140 to hand Kapildev and the Indians that World Cup title. Make we stop it right there, so. So you see, gentlemen, West Indies is not a squabs team in World Cup cricket. We have history and pedigree and tradition. And that, my friends, is something worth defending with your heart, on your body, and on your soul. And that was from yours truly, the Maverick. West Indies. Very question.